Hi, I'm Anjali Jagora. Theo Living is really home to me. I'm the founder of Theo Living. And today I want to walk you through a very short video where I'm going to take you into a sneak peek on the mat. What is it that we really do in Goddess Yoga? I'm going to give you a sneak peek into that. So hop onto your mat or just take off your running shoes and give me some of your time so that we can hop on this journey together. And if this really means well for you, and if you really connect with it, we got to meet in person and train together. Thank you. All right, bring your hands into a prayer position, setting intention, and to the forehead. Bring your hands all the way up and flip the hands over. Slowly bring it down, cleansing your aura into the mat. Inhale, exhale, release the hands and come standing up and open your legs 45 degrees for a goddess sequence. So bring the hands all the way up above the head. Exhale through the mouth. Go up again. Exhale down. Again. Up and come down. Flow along. Up again and come down. Up one more time. Come down and rest your elbow over to the right side. Left hand goes up. Keep gazing. Keep inhaling. Keep up. And let's switch sides. And notice how you feel from one side to the other side. Lovely. Coming up, now we're going to make way to a beautiful down dog. Really press your heels into the mat. Shoulders are wide open. See if you can touch the top of the head on the floor and breathe. Stay there. Transition to a child's pose. Knees are as wide as the mat and drop the head down, surrender. Take a few breaths here and keep inhaling. Lovely. Lift the head up, walk the hands back and make yourself come into a rock pose for a moment before we transition. Spread the hands in such a way that you're able to look at the right middle finger and go up and down, up and down. Again, up and down, and place the hand in front and really reach open. Open the sides of your upper body. And let's do exactly the same thing over the other side. Warrior two. There you go. Make your way up and down. Really flow. It's beautiful. Goddess Yoga is about flow, flowing the energy of your inner God. Placing the hand down and roll the right hand over and above the head. Great. Come back to the center and bring the feet together and step into the center of the mat. You're going to go into a tree pose. Lift the right leg up. And if you go washy-washy, take your time and follow me through, bringing the fingertips together. And come down. Bring the leg down, switch over to the other side. Left leg goes up. And bring the hands above the head. Keep inhaling, keep exhaling. Remember to breathe. Bring the hands down, relax the leg. Great. Let's come down onto the mat. We're going to do a shoulder stand this time. Lying down, make yourself comfortable. The back of your head. Make sure your back is sticking to the mat. And come up. And one leg by the other leg. Really lengthen, reach the tips of the toes all the way up. Make way and keep breathing. deep and long. Bring the knees down to the head and vertebra by vertebra, come down. Legs are wide open, palms open, and breathe. Deep relaxation. Great. Roll over to one side. Press into the mat and come sitting up. Cross-legged position. Meet me in the space. Palms together. Extend your gratitude to your practice. Open your eyes and relax. Now that we are already in a sitting position, I want to walk you through a beautiful chanting, which is also meditative. So I'm going to walk you through 7 beautiful Om chants in which I would like you to really feel that you're chanting in each of the chakras. So you can look at the clip if you feel like, and then we will walk through 7 chants. So at every chant, you're really blossoming, engaging, activating, and energizing yourself with 7 Oms for 7 respective chakras. So dive in with me. Here we go. And finally, we complete the teacher training with using the oils, the crystals, and most importantly, journaling. I hope this video has touched your heart and has made way for you and me to meet in person on the mat to bring beautiful changes and adding purpose to your already existing life. Thank you so much.